the first sander that I reach for because it is just so useful. Yeah, that's really quickly, just got rid of a lump there that was going. Hi, I'm Peter Brett from TOOLKiT magazine, and today we're going to be looking at one of my long-lost sanders, one of my favourite sanders, the Metabo SXE 400. You can see it's not exactly a modern shape or anything like that. It's got quite a bulky body, and it's got quite a small platen, but you'll be surprised at how many times this is the first sander that I reach for because it is just so useful. Standard way of sanding would be to take a piece of sandpaper and do it like this. Then what you get is a lot of linear scratches that go basically around the piece. But if you use this, because it's got a random orbit, it sands over itself, and any marks that it makes it'll sand. The other thing about it is that it's very, very quick, so you can get a very quick result quite easily. And the other thing is there's no kickback on it because the platen is free moving. It doesn't kick back. And yeah, you can feel the difference there. This is really rough compared to that, and that's quite a coarse piece of oak. So yeah, it just shows how quickly you can get rid of sanding marks by using this. Let's have a quick look at some of the features. So it's got a body grip, very simple on and off switch, which does amazingly well. In the 20 years I've had my old one, I mean, that never got clogged with sandpaper, with sanding dust or anything like that, so that's really good. Got an amazingly efficient dust extraction port. Actually, that fits a standard extractor thing, and if you do connect it, you'd be surprised at how much dust is actually collected. Actually, for odd shapes like that, it's actually quite smooth, and that's only just had a 10 seconds thing. If I look very carefully at the small print, I find that even my new one, which I got 20 years after my old one, that it's still made in Germany. And there you go. Oh, forgot to mention that of course you get several speeds. That's really useful because it means that you can take care on very sensitive sanding surfaces. See, of course, with this is that it's very useful for small surfaces. It can go surprisingly far into corners. So you can get really quite up to the edge of, say you're sanding steps on stairs and things like that. So, yeah, it's a very useful little piece of kit, and I'm really glad that I've managed to replace my broken one, even 20 years after the buying of the original one. So, Metabo SXE 400. Stick with it.